I'm going to show you the 5 most common areas where you're going to have an air leak on your any pool pump. I'm going to use this pump here. So if you have this one, that's great. If not, it applies to all pool pumps. If you're not getting a full flow in here, if you're getting 3/4 or half, or it's just barely coming in. So for one, make sure that the seal's okay, so you don't see any water on the bottom, white crusty stuff. The seal's good. Okay, we're good to go on the seal. And then I just finished a video on putting your male adapters on, how to put them on, right? So you do it on the top and the front, exactly the way one of our videos has. I'll link it right to the top here, and shows you how to put this on, and it will last forever. Okay, so that's 2. And then the top, any gasket, you're gonna make sure they're all sitting in there good. It's not crunched. See how this is, I always clean it off when you open the basket off for this particular one. When you take the basket out, make sure it's all cleaned. But if you see how it's separated all the way around, see how it's nice and even all the way around? If you see it pinched in, push down. Because if you put the basket or the lid on wrong, then it will just crush it, and then there you'll have a small little air leak. And sometimes you can hear it. If you turn the pump off, you can hear it leaking. Not this particular area, but you know it's somewhere. So all those places I'm going to show you, seal those up, redo all that stuff, and you're good to go. Okay, and don't forget, when you do all this, make sure that you, since you're doing this, disconnect the power and then check your impeller. So stick your finger in there, make sure the power is off, disconnected, and see if there's any debris, pine needles, anything, hair, anything that could clog up the impeller. So that will restrict the flow too, and it'll look like you only have 3/4 full where it's coming in. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 is the seal, and the other ones are the drain plugs. So this particular one, there's 2. There's one in the front right here, and there's one right here. Believe it or not, make sure the gasket's not cracked or broken, or give it a little tweak. Might be loose. Believe it or not, I've had pools where I couldn't figure it out, and I tightened these up, and all of a sudden it was good to go. So it might not be leaking out of here, but it sure is sucking air. Okay, so when it's on, so make sure you redo these. Just give it a little tweak, and check the gaskets too when you take them off. So the drain plugs, the seal, the gasket, the basket gasket, the front suction, and your discharge. Those are the 5 you want to redo to make sure that your pump's running good. Okay, now if this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, because we have videos all the time, and just maybe put a comment down below. Maybe you want to see something different. Just let us know. Okay, and we'll see you on the next one.